Welcome everybody. Hey, let's talk exhaust gaskets. You tired of blowing through those things on your little two-stroker or your 49cc four-stroke motorized bicycle? This video's for you. I got an upgrade for you. Come on in. You've probably blown a few of these exhaust gaskets, right? I'm going to be careful how I use that word, but there's an upgrade. Now this gasket here is a much better gasket, the Toyota O2 sensor gasket, than the stock gasket. This is just a fiber gasket. It's okay, but hey, this is the primo upgrade here. It's got a metal area around the outside. It's got a little metal reinforcement here on the inlet. Much less chance of this thing blowing out and giving you problems. Only about $3, whatever. I'll have a link down below for you where you can buy one as well. This is the brand here. It's a Dorman 47021 oxygen sensor gasket for a Toyota 2004, 2005 Land Cruiser. So let's go ahead as well. When we're going to upgrade the gasket, let's make sure that some of our exhaust problems here, the gasket getting blown out, isn't a result of a bad fit here on your exhaust. Take a little time here, and then you're going to make this thing here last as long as possible, okay? So first thing you want to do, you want to get a straight edge or something, and you want to check where your exhaust bolts up to your engine, okay? You want to make sure that these little tabs here, this part of the flange here isn't bent. They'll get bent in shipment or whatever, and if you've got it bent, well, you're not going to have a good firm seal against that gasket, and you get some exhaust gas going out, particularly with the stock gasket. You get that little bit of exhaust gas going out, it'll just go ahead and blow the gasket out. So check it. Now this one here as well, you can see the way they welded it up. This tubing, it is pushed through the flange, and we've got a raised area there. So there we're going to have a good chance for the exhaust gas to come through. As well here where it's drilled, you've got some areas here. You can see the highlighted area where you've got the shinier reflection. We're going to need to grind that off. Here's what I do. If you got a power tool, go ahead and dress it up with the old flap disc there. Or grab you a good flat file it away, make sure it's nice and smooth, then we're ready to go ahead and bolt this bad boy up, okay? Now, hey, one other thing you want to check is, you know these little straps that come with the kit that wraps around the exhaust and then you can secure them to the frame? Well, they do help secure your pipe. This is a lot of weight just to be hanging on two little studs or two screws or bolts or whatever. So you've got an extra mounting strap on it, and for those of you running an expansion chamber, they've got the strap too. What that's going to do is help even the load out and not put so much stress on this one area here. So if you're blowing through your exhaust gaskets, you may want to take a good look at how your exhaust is mounted onto your engine. All right, carry on. With the Toyota oxygen sensor gasket, okay, the holes on it are a little bit too wide, just a scooch, okay? That's a little bit more than a smidge, all right? But real easy. Take your rat file, give it just a couple of little back and forth on both sides. You want to take it in there. You don't really, I mean, you don't have to take off more, not even a 1/16 of an inch on each one of these here. Bring them in. If you notice that you boogered it up, give it just a little bitty tap with a hammer. Not hard, not too hard. You don't want to deform your nice new gasket. Put that on there. Now what I'll do, you can see that the metal is wrapped around here, and we've got the fiber material, the heat-resistant fiber material here. I will put that away from the engine. That's just my thought on it, right? Because it's going to be a little bit cooler on this side of it, on the exit side. And then just go ahead and bolt up your exhaust. you're going to be tearing ass through the neighborhood, and you're not going to be tearing through exhaust gaskets. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. There's a subscribe, the alert button, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.